Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and right there you can see all the available icons on our notification panel. Just to add some icons here, click to the plus icon, and here you can see all the icons that we can add. For example, we can add the camera axis icon, just hold it and drag here. Also get, for example, drag here the AUD icon. So by this way we can add some icons to our notification panel, and just to remove them, hold for a while and drag it to this up section. Then just tap here to done and you will see all the changes. So also we got here the second, if you want to just change the positions of the icons here, you just should hold for a while and drag it to the position where you want to just change it, for example by this way. So as can you see, that's really simple. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.